Please refer section 3.1.4 in the IOM for the details on loop test. The loop test feature is designed to verify loop wiring and transmitter output, and should only be performed after the installation of the transmitter. It allows the user to manually manipulate the analog output to a selected constant output value. Double-click on loop test to start the method. The first screen is a warning message for the user to remove the device from automatic control. Whenever sending or requesting data that would disrupt the loop or change the output of the transmitter, set the process application loop to manual. Please note that acknowledging this prompt does not set the loop to manual. The prompt is only a reminder to set the loop to manual as a separate operation. The user needs to ensure that the device is not a part of any automated control strategy that would be disturbed due to this action. Click OK. This screen lets you choose the analog output level for the transmitter to output. Let us select 20 mA option here. Click Enter for this change to take effect. The message here tells you when the field device output is fixed. You can check the reference meter installed in the test loop to verify that it displays the commanded output value. Clicking OK here will take you back to the output selection screen. Let us now try to set a user-defined value. To do that, please select the other option and click Enter. The next screen provides a text box to input a user-desired value. Let us say we want to set the analog output to a 12.5 mA level. Type in the number and press Enter for it to take effect. The message tells you when the field device output is fixed at the 12.5 mA level. You can verify the output on the reference meter. If the values match, the transmitter and the loop are configured and functioning properly. If the values do not match, the current meter may be attached to the wrong loop, there may be a fault in the wiring, the transmitter may require rearranging, or the reference meter may be malfunctioning. Click OK on the method screen to go back to the output selection screen. When you are satisfied with the tests, select the option End to end the method. Click Enter. The field device will be returned to its original output and the user will be notified that the device may be returned to the automatic control. Clicking OK will end the method.